Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites, Xbox firmware and JJS at 0, 2 compatible versions, and developer mode enabled. Once verified, connect the console to the same LAN as your workstation. Wired Ethernet reduces timeout issues. Now backup game saves and system settings so you can restore if needed. Then open JJS and authenticate with your developer account because proper credentials let you change domain mappings without lockouts. Proceed only when these checks pass, since skipping them causes common failures later. You now configure the 0.2 domain inside JJS. First, open the domain panel and either select the 0.2 entry or create it because that centralizes routing. Next, assign static target IPs and map ports the Xbox services require and double-check ports for NAT traversal. Once done, add DNS overrides for the domain and set a low TTL for testing. This ensures quick propagation. Make sure to save and commit the configuration, as unsaved changes won't take effect and will waste time. You finish by restarting the JJS service and rebooting the Xbox so the new 0.2 domain mappings apply. Then run connectivity checks, ping and traceroute to the mapped domain, plus the Xbox service checks relevant to your workflow. If the console doesn't reach services, examine JJS logs for DNS or port errors and verify static IPs again. If problems persist, restore your backup, revert the domain entry, and reapply changes incrementally to isolate the faulty step. This is the quickest way to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.